This is a guide on replacing a screen on a Lenovo ThinkPad P52. For the replacement process, we'll need the following tools: a plastic pick and tweezers. To begin, turn off the laptop and disconnect the power cord. Start by removing the bezel. Use a plastic pick to pry off the inner edge of the screen. Go around the perimeter and snapping the tabs underneath. Put the bezel aside. The screen is held in place with adhesive strips with loose tabs above the top corners of the screen. Using tweezers, pick the tab on the right side and pull out the adhesive strip. Pull out the adhesive strip on the left side. Place the screen on the keyboard. Peel off the clear tape securing the video connector, and using a plastic pick, open the connector's bracket. Disconnect the video cable. Discard the old screen. Place the new screen onto the keyboard and reconnect the video cable. Close the connector's bracket and secure it with clear tape. Caution: it is very important not to force any of the connectors. As well, you must not twist or slant the connector when plugging it in. Lift the screen up. Now we can test the new screen. Turn the laptop on. The screen is working, and we can continue the installation process. Place the screen back on the keyboard. As you can see, the old adhesive strips were on the inner surface of the laptop back cover, but in our case, for convenience, we're going to apply new adhesive strips on the sides of the screen. By the way, we offer standard double-sided tape for such repairs on our site LaptopScreen.com. Apply the new adhesive strips, making sure that their tabs stay loose at the top of the screen. Lift the screen up and apply some pressure on the sides. Make sure that the video cable stays in proper position underneath the screen. Replace the bezel. Press firmly in the bottom corners and then go around the perimeter, snapping tabs back in place. Turn the laptop on, and we're done.